Control number 39816. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marilyn Piliado, 39 years old. Single. I have 2 children. One boy, 17 years old, and one girl, 14 years old. I have 7 siblings, 3 brothers, and 4 sisters, and I'm the 4th. I'm undergraduate, Office Management and Technology in University of Makati.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to support my children's needs, financial support in their school.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience here in the Philippines.
Do you have experience in taking old prison?
Yes,
What can you do for relief?
I do preparing their foods and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What
I-
can you do for
I
babies?
give them take a bath, feedings, changing clothes, diapers.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can cook, sewing, and massage.
Can you cook?
Yes,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food and Filipino food. Chinese food, I can cook steamed vegetables, steamed fish, tofu, and noodle soup, fried rice. For Filipino, I can cook adobo, menudo, kare-kare, and vegetables.
Describe yourself as an housemaid. What are characteristics that your employer will like you?
I'm honest, hard worker, and responsible.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Hi, ma'am. Sir, if you choosing me as your domestic helper, I do hard work and responsible in your house, taking care of your house and love your family. And I promise to finish my contract or more. Thank you.